Probably the single greatest difference between tanker work and other general freight types is the effect of the lateral movement of the milk inside the tanker, known as slosh. As you go around corners or traverse uneven ground, the milk will move in the direction of the applied force, so to the outside of a corner or to the inside if you're driving across angled ground. This not only moves the centre of gravity of the vehicle, but also applies a lateral force that's actually trying to push the vehicle over. So it's not just about having an offset load, it's that additional force created by the movement of the load that adds to the over-tipping moment of the vehicle, increasing the risk of rollover. It takes surprisingly small input forces to get the milk moving inside the barrel. I can recreate it with a simple small rocking motion. And one of the worst scenarios is where the natural frequency of the milk inside the barrel happens to sync up with the left, right, left sequence of corners on a road. In that circumstance, the vehicle is essentially trying to throw itself into the scenery, and it may behave remarkably worse and have a much lower rollover threshold than if the frequencies were opposed, where the milk is essentially sloshing to lean into the corner. And this is the great challenge of being a tanker driver, that the behaviour of your vehicle may differ significantly between two corners in a way that has historically been hidden from you. So wrapping up, we know in the dairy tanker business that we're going to have a mobile load. It's going to move around in response to cornering and in response to uneven ground. And we need to think about how our vehicle's loaded so that we can drive to the dynamics in those circumstances. So I hope you found that useful. For more information on dairy tanker safety and on the general transport industry, visit our website at nti.com.au.